Hello guys, this is Soji and you are welcome to Soji Forex. To all our new subscribers, once again I want to say thank you. We appreciate you for believing in what we do and for supporting our channel. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I will indulge you that you go through our previous video so you can get yourself familiarized with the various tricks and strategies that we use in trading. So today's video, I want to share with us a simple scalping strategy. I want to share with us a simple method of scalping. Now with this method, you can learn how to grow a small account. Your account can be as low as $20, $30, $50. You can grow this account using this strategy, and you'll be trading it basically. For you to grow this small account I'm referring to, I will recommend, based on practice over time, I will recommend that you trade it on boom and crash, because this video will be made specifically on how you can apply this simple method, this simple strategy to trade the boom and crash. So no matter how small your capital is, if you have, I'm not saying $10, if you at least 20, from 20 to 50, you can try this strategy and you can use it to grow your small account. And I recommend that you do this trading boom and crash. I am not saying you will do it. You are not using it to cash spike. You are not using it to cash drop. You will use it to sell boom and you will use it to buy crash. That is just the trick about it. You use it to sell boom and then you use it to buy crash. Okay, so already in our previous video we have shared on how to take advantage of our indicators. As we can see on our chart, Freddy shared with us how we can use our indicators, and we said that our upper Bollinger Band, which is what you are seeing here, help us to determine our exhaustion for a buy, and then our middle Bollinger Band help us to determine trend continuation. Then our lower Bollinger Band help us to determine the exhaustion point for a sell market. Yeah, this lower middle Bollinger Band help us to determine an exhaustion in a sell market. This is our upper band, help us to determine exhaustion for a buy. Our middle Bollinger Band help us to determine trend continuation, while our lower Bollinger Band help us to determine exhaustion for a sell. So which means that if I am looking forward to sell boom, what I'll be doing, I'll be waiting for price to move from this region, pierces this Bollinger Band with other confirmation for me to sell boom. And if I'm looking forward to buy crash, I'll be expecting that crash should drop, piercing the lower band, then I follow the continuation for a buy. But what we are trying to see, to establish, is a scalping method that we can use to grow our small trading account. A scalping method that you and I can take advantage of in growing our small trading account. Please, if you are coming across a video for the first time, support what we are doing. Like the video, share and comment in the comment section. And please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever we publish our next video. Alright, so having established that, let's go into the analysis proper. Now, this is what we do. This is what we do. Now looking at this market scenario, just as we are having here, we are having a scenario we want to sell. So what is our condition number one? From our M15, we say scalping. We are not going to a higher time frame. We'll stop at M15. We want to see price moving from here towards our upper Bollinger Band, and then price pierces it and went up. Having established that, we want to see the price begin to make a return inside the Bollinger Band, and this is price returning back inside the Bollinger Band. Then we'll go to our indicator window, and in our indicator window we want to see that there is a cross between our stochastic oscillator and our moving average 10 at this upper region, at that zone. Let us see that cross happening here. We want to see this cross between this moving average at this level of 90. Then we know that we are about to make entry. Then we allow price to come down. Price will close below our moving average 10, which is what we are seeing on the chart. Then immediately close, we have our entry here. Okay, our stop loss is at the previous high. Then we have our TP somewhere here. Now, how do we apply this to a scenario of a small account? Because the goal is for us to be able to do this on our small account. So how do we do that? Let's say, for example, this is the trade. Now, let's look at this chart structurally. This is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high, lower low. Okay? Or better still, let's do it this way. This is our lower high. This is our lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then here now is a structural point. So we are expecting market to move inside the other block and then for the market to sell down. That is condition number one. It's a structural point. So this trade is a good entry. Number two, the price is below the zone of our lower Bollinger Band, telling us that we are in a downtrend. That is number two. But when we look at our indicator window, as the case may be, you'll see that already is at the 10 region, which shows a possible reversal. But notwithstanding, we are not too certain because price has not approached our lower Bollinger Band to show us an exhaustion. So what we'll do, we'll still take a sell. So we'll now take a sell in this regard. We'll take a sell. Okay. So we'll now take a sell from here. So for us to manage our small account, remember the goal is for us to be able to trade on a small account. So now, since our account is very small and we want to see how we can still take advantage of our small account, we will now do it in a simple and easy way for us. And what is that simple and easy way that we are going to do it? We'll be doing it this way. we will quickly increase. This is what I'm referring to. If you use any of this, you are trying to increase the lot size. And if you use this, you are reducing the lot size. So what we want to do now, we'll increase our lot size. Okay? Just follow me carefully. We'll now click on here. Good. It will give us now 0 point. You see that we have several options. Okay? We have several options. We have, so if I begin to press on plus 0 point, remember what we were having is 0.2. Good, which is the standard lot. So what we want to do, we want to increase it. So we'll click on the arrow pointing up. It will now give us 3 different types of option. We have plus 0.01, plus 0.1, plus 0.5. But our account is small, so we are focusing on plus 0.01. So this is what I will do. I will now press on plus 0.01. You see now it has changed to 0.21, 0.22, 0.23, 0.24, 0.25. Now I have increased the lot size and I want to sell. Boom. I will now click on sell. Now I have executed my trade. So I will go to the trade. On reaching the trade, this is the trade running here. I will hold on it, and do you know what I will do? I will click on modify position. Okay, I will click on modify position because it's a small account. So I will do that. Modify position. Sorry, please. Hold it down. I beg your pardon. I will click on close position. Close position, not modify position. Okay, so I'll now click on close position. So once you click on close position, you have options. You can see it here. Minus 0.001. So I will begin to click on this. Okay. Then let's click on it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will click on it until it becomes 0.2. I'll now click on close with profit or close with loss, regardless of how fast you are able to get there. Now, if you look at the lot size here now, you see that I'm now left with 0.05. So I entered with 0.25. I closed 0.2. I am now left with 0.05 because my account is small and I'm scalping to grow this small account. So you need to be patient. It takes patience to grow the market. So I'll set my stop loss. So I'll set my stop loss somewhere here. Okay. And I'll set my take profit. Now, this is simple. This is the approach, and this is how you can go about in managing your small account. Please, for more detailed analysis, I recommend you go through our previous video that has been shared on this channel. Alright, let me run you through the indicator setup. As you can see, we have the Bollinger Band as our first indicator. The period is 130, deviation is 2, shift to 0, apply to close. The pixel, you choose any color for sure, click done. Then indicator moving average period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, you apply to a close and you click on done. Then our window 1, we have the stochastic, K period is 60, D period 1, slowing, apply to close, exponential, and then you come to the level 10, 90, 50. Then after that, you add your moving average 10 exponential to indicator window 1, you click on done. Okay, there is a video on the channel that explain more detail on how to set up your indicator, and I believe you are getting value from this video. Please like, subscribe, turn your notification bell and share with your loved ones. Thank you. In the subsequent video, we'll be explaining in detail how we can buy crash using the same strategy. So until then, keep enjoying the market and have a profitable trading.